Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to search eBay by the seller. Now let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now use the search bar at the top. Tap on it. Enter the username of the seller you want to search for. Tap on it. And this is the results. Let's tap on one of the product. Scroll down and it's over here. If you don't know their exact username, try reaching out to them or checking the previous listing. For that, you can use your history. Go to the home and here's recently viewed items. Tap on view all. And from here, like I want to find the seller of this ring, tap on the ring. And over here, you can see the seller. Let's go inside the store. And there you go. You will see the list of items currently listed by the seller. Browse the listing to find exactly what you are looking for. And that's how you can search for the items by a specific seller on eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.